I thought it'd be neat to do some casting some shadows on a phone. So let's go ahead and get started with this one. I'm going to create my new layer, get my brush tool, and there are so many ways we can do a drop shadow with this phone. I wanted to try one where it looks like it's standing upright as opposed to laying flat on a surface. So you can see how I could create a shadow pretty quickly, just like that. I'm going to reduce the opacity, and we've already created kind of a cool dynamic shadow. It was that simple. So there's one option. So let's go ahead and toggle that off, create a new layer, and let's play around with some different options. I'm going to grab my tool. We could do one where it's laying flat on the surface and do it all the way up to the top. And we're not going to do a drop shadow on the right side. It's going to be kind of the angle is going to, the light source is going to be coming from here. So you're going to get a cast shadow on 3 sides, but not this right side. And we can reduce the opacity a little bit. So it looks like it's kind of laying on a table. So that's another really cool shadow. And let's just continue to experiment. We could do it up here as well. We could do it all the way around the phone to look like the light source is coming straight at the phone. That's pretty easy to do. And we could always even out our shadows just a little bit. I didn't do that perfect, did I? And so that's one way to do it. Maybe reduce the opacity a little bit to make it more realistic. You can have it really subtle or very strong. So pretty neat what you can do.